Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Due to my busy schedule, I couldn't upload my any videos. I put a small break on my travel. So in this interim period, I don't want to put you guys on long hold. So let me introduce one of my favorite recipe, Parboiled rice Ladu with chutney. It's very popular in coastal area. This is a breakfast recipe, and let me take the intro tour of the ingredients. Come on. I have taken a 2 cup of parboiled rice. It's soaked overnight, and grated coconut. This is optional. If you add the grated coconut, it will give the smooth texture for laddus, and salt as per the taste. Come on, now we have to add all these ingredients in the mixer, and we have to grind it. Let me take this one, everything. And this grated coconut we have to add here, and the salt will be taken for a taste. Okay guys, now it's the time to grind, so let me grind this one. Keep the pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. I already taken 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can see here, I already put it in the low flame. Yeah. Now this rice paste what we grinded, we have to put it here. Keep stir until it turns thick. Note that you have to keep it in the medium flame. You can see here it's already turning thick, so still we need to do stirring activity, just like ragi ball. How we going to do? Same procedure is here. See, almost it's turned into thick now. So you can see here it's almost turned thick. Yes, we have done now. This is a mixture I take out from the pan. Now I need to make a ball out of this mixture. Let me do this one. So just we have to take some water here in the hand. So it's still it's hard. You need to make a small ball. From this mixture we have to make laddu like this. See, this is what we are doing now. So as per your convenience you can make a ball like this. So there is no any standard here. So this much of, there is no constraint for size here. See, I have done bigger one, smaller one, like this.
Yes.
It's usually we do it in breakfast. So breakfast recipe. Now we have to steam this laddus in either in the steamer or in a cooker. So we have to steam it for 30 minutes. Now we have to put this ball in the steamer. As you can see, just we have to lock this steamer. Now we have to steam it for 30 minutes until it cooks. For this parboiled rice laddu, let's make a chutney for that, so that it will be a very good combination. Here I have taken the garlic cloves, ginger and green chilli and fried ram and grated coconut and coriander leaves. So these are all the ingredients required for chutney, and let me grind this one. Come on, let's do this. Now we have put the tadka here on the chutney. In order to check whether it's cooked or not, we have to use this knife and keep it like this. See, here you will not see anything sticky, correct? So it's fully cooked. So now it's completely perfect. So now we are transferring this laddu from the steamer to plate. Now this parboiled laddu is ready to serve. You have to eat with the ghee. It will give you more taste. If you like this recipe, please share, like and subscribe. And very soon I'll come up with a new video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.